me, Hendo, and I just found this toy snake. I'm gonna go show Brocco and Zarlo. Come on, let's go. They're over there. I see them. Let's go. It's not real. It's not real. It's not real.
Oh, look!
It's not real.
Oh, hi! Look, it's just a toy snake. We thought it was a real snake. Do you know what type of snake this is?
Python.
Yeah, it's a python. And do you know what letter the word snake starts with? Do you know?
S.
That's right, it's the letter S. Yeah. Anyway, the snakes are pretty cool. Some people even keep them at home as pets. Bye. See you later. Bye. Bye.